Hi, I'm Honza, and when this Pyvo was going to be organized, they wanted me to talk about SH, which is a library which can help you to run subprocesses in Python. With using the standard library, you can do this already. I just wanted to remind you that in the Python 3 there is subprocess.run, which is better and has more functionality than the previous functions. Combines basically all the call and the check output and all these things from Python 2. It combines it into one function which mostly does what you usually need to do, and if it does not, there is a keyword argument for that. So you don't have to think about 5 functions, you have just this one and you can use it, and it's pretty easy. So this would be the recommended way to run a subprocess, to run a program from your Python program, like a command line program. If you're still on version on Python 2, which you shouldn't be because it's like 1 year, a couple of months, and a couple of days, and a couple of seconds until Python 2 is deprecated forever, you could use subprocess call. In this example, it would work as well. There is this pro tip. Is this I won't say it, but it's this function in this module. No, I don't know. Okay, is this function from this module? You can import a function split, which allows you because these functions they use a list, as you can see, so they don't have to parse the shell syntax. You can use this function to parse the shell syntax in case you get the command from, I don't know, configuration file or something like that. And it parses it and provides it as an array for the function. If you want to use external dependencies, or if you want to do more complicated stuff with multiple processes and do some pipes and outputs and do some more labor with it, I recommend you to use this library, Plumbum, which does mostly what the famous SH do, but the main difference is that it still it supports Windows. You may think that you don't need to support Windows, but in most of my scripts which I wrote and which I needed, I initially did not need to support Windows, and then someone with Windows wanted to use them. And it was a very big pain to port them or to do anything about it when it was written in SH, because SH dropped support for Windows, and I wasn't basically able, I would have to rewrite it to standard library, subprocess, or it wasn't possible to use it. So I found this library Plumbum, which keeps the compatibility with Windows, and you can do most of the stuff which you would do with SH with it. You can just import functions like this. You can import functions which mirror your commands in your command line, and you can use them as if they were functions. You can pass them arguments and so on. So this is it. This is the run function. This didn't load. This, I don't know. I thought I will show you at least the home pages of the libraries, but it doesn't work, so never mind. You can find it.
The functions, like ifconfig, can you add new functions?
They dynamically load, they try to, when you run them, they'll actually, at that time, they try to find the command, and they fail if you don't have it there. It's your responsibility to know what you have accessible, and if it's not there, it just fails. So it's like syntax sugar. It's for convenience. convenience, basically DSL.